Your iPhone has a sort of a hidden setting that allows you to assign certain contacts whose phone calls will always ring, whether you've set your phone on silent mode or have Do Not Disturb mode enabled. To allow someone to always ring your phone, we'll need to go to the Contacts app first. Find it on your home screen or use the search. If you're not familiar, search can be triggered by swiping down from the middle of your display when you're on the home screen. Once you're in the contacts, you'll first choose the person whose calls you want to always let ring. Then you'll tap Edit from the top right corner to edit that contact, and from the Edit menu, we're going to go to the Ringtone section. Besides assigning a custom ringtone to someone, you can toggle the option on the very top to allow emergency bypass. This is the toggle that allows calls from this person to ring even when silent mode or Do Not Disturb mode are turned on. Once you're done, just tap the check marks to confirm the change, and you're all set. You can repeat this to as many contacts as you'd like. One thing to keep in mind is that while the calls from these people will ring your phone, they'll still ring at the volume that your ringer is set to. If you go to the Sounds and Haptics menu, you can check your current ringer volume. If the ringer volume is set to something super low, like 1%, it'll technically ring, but you probably won't be able to hear it. So, just make sure your ringer volume is set properly, and you won't have any issues. And that's how you make someone special's calls always ring. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy iPhone guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.